Hi, my name is Greg Matthews with Sierra Pacific Windows, and today we're going to go over on how to remove the panel out of a patio door slider. There's a couple of reasons why you do that. One is if you're going to take it out to paint it, finish it. The other one would be to service it, like if you had a roller problem, had to replace a roller. That's the reason why you would want to remove that panel out of the frame itself. First step, we'll remove the stop. That allows the panel to open all the way to the handle so you can remove the top stops or guides. And then there's screws in the head that you have to remove. In the center, there's a 3-inch screw that goes up into the header. You'll see that that's a much longer screw when you're doing it. Push it towards the middle and then pull down. And so you can slide one out and then the other. So we need to pry this inside stop off. And you want to make sure the door is closed when you pull that after you pulled all your guides out of the top, otherwise it could fall out. So pull it out, tilt it out towards you, lift it up, and the door's out. So to install it, just center it on the track. You want to roll it back and forth to make sure it's rolling properly, and then close it all the way before you start putting your stops back in. That way, again, it won't fall out on you. And you just reverse the order, put the screws in, you can open it. Always make sure your stops are against the jamb. We put the rubber bumper back in between the track, and that stops you from smashing your hand when you open the door all the way. Put the inside stop back. And there you have it. That's how you remove and install a patio slider door.